Let's learn counting. Cute fruits counting. Let's learn counting. Cute fruits counting. 1, 1 apple, it's a red apple. 2, 2 watermelon, it's a green watermelon. 3, 3 orange, it's orange orange. 4, 4 banana, it's yellow banana. Counting with fruits so yummy. Eat them all, fill your tummy. 5, 5 blueberry, it's blueberry. 6, 6 mangoes, it's yellow mangoes. 7, 7 lime, it's green lime. 8, 8 raspberries, it's red raspberry. 9, 9 cherries, it's red cherry. 10, 10 grapes, it's purple grapes. Counting with fruits so yummy. Eat them all, fill your tummy. Fruits and numbers, counting fun that lasts forever.
For such fun and educational video, please like, share and subscribe. Bubbly Boo. See you again. Bye-bye.